My footprint in the sand, easily blown away. Am I the subject of your regret, fiercely locked away? Is it me that you resent, or the memory vaguely stained on the corner of our bed, where I used to watch you dance? You lift me up like a balloon, we floated through the air until the end of noon. We watched the people go, we ran into the water, rolled in the sand, we ate silence on our empty bread. Forgotten through the air, my eyes were stuck outside. I saw birds' nests falling down, a broken egg. The sky was yellow, the air was light, and you didn't have a clue of my intentions, my wild inventions. The aircraft parked outside for our adventure far beyond the blessed and cloudy sky. The smoky blue over my head, you really knocked me down.